जिनका नाम ही स्त्री है वो अपने आप में बहुत स्पेशल है, बहुत प्रेशियस है। उनके बिना तो हम हो ही नहीं सकते। माय पर्सनल फेवरेट इज माय ओन स्त्री, पौत्रलेखा। The first thing that we were very sure of that we're gonna make this film with as much sincerity, how we made Stree 1. There should not be any amount of corruption just because part 1 was a huge success. So we didn't want to make anything, as I said earlier, for the heck of it. So we were as sincere, we were as honest, without any baggage. We just wanted to go have fun, like exactly how we made Stree 1. So I think that was the only thing we were very sure about, that we're not gonna think about let's do this because that worked in part 1, or maybe this is something which audience will definitely like. We were just being ourselves, we were just having fun, as I said, without any baggages, without thinking what's going to happen. Because that's exactly what worked for Stree 1. The relatability with Vicky, Jana, Bittu, Rudrapriya, her character, maybe her character not that much, not too many girls are nameless. But all these, even like her character, all these are very real people, they are very relatable. That's why people could connect with these characters. So that's exactly what we were very sure of, that we're gonna remain the same. We're not gonna change ourselves. We're gonna be how we were when we started Stree 1. I've always been a big fan of Irfan sir. When I saw him for the first time uh, pushing his boundaries by doing comedy in Dada's, Basuda's film, Anurag Basu's film, Metro, I was blown away. That was a very new kind of comedy that I saw, and there's so much to learn from him. Forever, he has left such a great legacy behind that we'll always have something or the other to learn from his work. So it's certainly changing. I think the kind of comedy, the kind of scripts that are being written, the kind of performances that's coming these days, especially in comedies, the face has changed. Akshay sir, the kind of performances he has given in films like Hera Pheri, Mujhse Shaadi Karogi, he has changed a lot for the kind of comedies that we've been seeing earlier and now. So I think these actors have really changed the kind of platform for comedies.
Also, in our cinema, it's such a beautiful thing that there are different kinds of comedies and different kinds of audiences for those comedies. So you have, for example, a David Dhawan film, which has a different world of comedy. Then you have a film like Stree, which is a different world of comedy. So I feel like at the same time, there's also evolution happening, which is of course, cinema is a reflection of real life. Cinema is as our country also evolves, as the way we think evolves. Cinema also evolves in that way.
पूरा जो शूट था इस फिल्म का ना, बिकॉज मैं और श्रद्धा और अमर हम लोग 2 दिन पहले पहुंच गए थे चंदेरी, जहाँ पे फिल्म सेट है, बेस्ड है। और हम लोग इतने खुश थे वहाँ पर वापस जाके, बिकॉज हम उन जगहों को देख रहे थे, हम नॉस्टैल्जिक हो रहे थे, इमोशनल हो रहे थे कि अरे हमने यहाँ पे ये सीन किया था, वहाँ पे वो सीन किया था। और जिस लोकेशन से Stree 1 का शूट शुरू हुआ था, बिटवीन मी एंड श्रद्धा, वो छत पे जब ये पहली बार आती हैं और वो ठीक वो सब जो मैं करता हूँ, उसी एग्जैक्टली लोकेशन से हमने Stree 2 का शूट भी स्टार्ट किया विद मी एंड श्रद्धा। सो आई थिंक इट वाज वेरी नॉस्टैल्जिक। Stree हमेशा हमारे लिए एक बहुत ही स्पेशल फिल्म रहेगी, एंड वील होप कि वी keep making Stree every 2-3 years, because it's so much fun just to be a part of this family, just to be a part of this set, of this team, because you carry such wonderful memories that you talk about them for a very long time. Films I've been a part of, so the credit should go to my makers, my producers, my writers. Again, there's a lot of gratitude, because I'm still a nobody. I didn't know anyone when I came to Mumbai to be an actor with this dream in my eyes. Hey, I want to be a film actor one day. And to get the kind of encouragement and love and support from everyone is truly humbling for me. But yeah, the kind of love Newton got or Trap got, and now Srikanth. So I think there's certainly a huge section of the audience who wants to watch these beautiful stories. So we cannot stop making such stories. I'm so happy when 12 Fail, films like 12 Fail works, Srikanth works, Lapata Ladies work, because it gives a lot of hope to a lot of makers out there who are trying to tell these content-driven, beautiful stories. So I'm very happy when something like that happens. And also when people also accept me in films like Bareilly and Stree and Ludo, that also is Badhai Do is another is very encouraging for me because I never want to box myself in one slot that this is something Raj does and he does only these kind of films and characters. As an actor, it's my job to play variety of roles and surprise myself and surprise my audience whenever I can.
So Schitt's Creek is one of my all-time favorite shows. I feel like the writing, the performances, everything, the way, it's beautiful when in a film, and I feel like the same thing has happened with Stree too, where it's a collective effort. You have a bunch of terrific actors, you have very catchy dialogues, you have lovely writing, you have a brilliant director, you have a great production house. All those forces have come together. So I also feel like with Schitt's Creek there were those factors, and I don't think that there was a show like that we had seen. I was hooked onto it, and absolutely you're right. When I see content that inspires me or entertains me, it definitely inspires me to think. It makes me think, okay, what kind of work do I want to do? Okay, I'm very inspired by the kind of writing or direction or performances that I've just watched. 100% very, very inspiring, and definitely consciously or subconsciously it plays a part in selecting a film to be a part of, for sure. Thank you. मैं क्या करना चाहूँगी?
असल जिंदगी में क्या सुपर पावर
कौन सा सुपर पावर आप ग्रो करना चाहोगे?
ग्रो करना चाहूँगी असल जिंदगी में शायद अभी मैंने इसके बारे में सोचा नहीं है, लेकिन शायद मैं चाहूँगी कि अगर मुझे एक पल को स्ट्रेच करना है, लंबा करना है, और उस पल को और ज़्यादा जीना है, और ज़्यादा बढ़ाना है, तो शायद मैं टाइम को डिले कर दूँ. शायद पता नहीं वैसा सुपर पावर एग्जिस्ट. आई डोंट नो हाउ दैट विल फील, उसका इम्पैक्ट क्या होगा, पर अभी इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है.
उनका नाम ही स्त्री है, वो अपने आप में बहुत स्पेशल है, बहुत प्रेशियस है. उनके बिना तो हम हो ही नहीं सकते. Correct.
True.
So I think Strees have always been very special to me. Of course, my personal favorite is my own Stree, Patrulekha. But yeah, this Stree is very, very important, very close to my heart.